Listen, speak, read, write. Why is it called alphabet?
I am so excited and happy to tell you the word alphabet comes from the first two letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha and beta, and is used to refer to a system of writing that uses letters to represent sounds.
What is an alphabet?
Alphabets represent the sounds our mouths make in the form of symbols, like A, B, C, D, and more.
Okay, great job. Now say the alphabet, but say it backward. And then say it forward.
Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
How is the English alphabet constructed?
The English alphabet has 26 letters, 20 called consonants, 5 called vowels, and 1 can be a vowel or a consonant.
What are vowels and consonants?
Vowel sounds are made when the air flows freely out of the mouth. Consonant sounds are made when the air is blocked in the mouth.
Vowels A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y.
Consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Thanks for watching. Please click the like button and subscribe to this channel, and a comment would be wonderful.